Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone battery drain fast after update to iOS 17. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about their battery draining fast issue after updating to iOS 17. If you're also facing this issue, so guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to check your battery usage. Go to your settings, then go to battery and check which apps are consuming the most battery. This can help you identify if a specific app is causing the issue. Then you have to disable your background app refresh. Disabling background app refresh for apps that don't need to update in the background. Go to your settings and go to general and go to background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh and simply disable it, or you can enable it and disable those apps which you do not want to use. After this, then you have to turn off your location services. Review and adjust location services settings. Some apps use location services even when they are not in use. Contribute to battery drain. Go to your settings and go to privacy and security and go to location services. Then you can simply turn it off. After turning off location services, then you have to update the apps. Ensure that all your apps are up to date. Developer often release update that can optimize the app for the latest iOS version. So you have to make sure that your all apps are up to date. Then you have to adjust the display settings, reduce screen brightness and consider enabling to auto brightness. For doing this, you have to go back and then go to your display and brightness, sorry, go to accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down and you can see your option auto brightness. If it's disabled, then simply enable it, or you can simply from here adjust your brightness. After enabling the auto brightness, then you have to enable the low power mode. For if you're running low on battery, you can enable low power mode. Go to your settings, then go to battery. You can see your option low power mode. If it's disabled, then simply enable it. After applying this all solution, then you have to try last solution, reset settings. If the issue persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Simply go to general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.